Department has said the cyclone Fengal remains stationary near Puducherry but could weaken in the next 3 hours. We have an update coming in from Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, where cyclone Fengal has made a landfall. Now, why this is important is, remember, the Met Department has said that Puducherry recorded the highest rainfall of 46 centimeters. Operations at Chennai Airport, which had been suspended earlier, resumed past midnight, but that means there are still a lot of cancellations and delays. So that's the latest. There has been a lot of aftermath of the cyclone Fengal's landfall. Puducherry and parts of Tamil Nadu, even Chennai city, are bracing strong winds, heavy rainfall. But look at this. This is a visual from Puducherry where you can see houses have been destroyed while people have been rushed to safer areas. But this shows the extent of damage and aftermath that has taken place of the cyclone. So it's concerning right now because for now that is where the cyclone that has made landfall but is stationary for now. I want to first bring in my colleague Shilpa Nair. She's in Puducherry right now. Shilpa, as Fengal has made a landfall, what is it that you saw in those hours and what is the situation like? Looks like it's still heavy rainfall around you.
Well, yes, Pooja. In fact, we are reporting from Puducherry, and Puducherry is a place that has recorded a historic amount of rainfall. In fact, 48 centimeters of rainfall. That is what IMD has said in the last 24 hours. And this is something that Puducherry has not seen before. It's quite unprecedented. In fact, we've been here since yesterday morning. And ever since the landfall process of Cyclone Fengal started, we could experience that the rain spells were getting more intense. It was very, very heavy spells, and all throughout the night it was raining very heavily in Puducherry, and 48 centimeters of rain is what the IMD has said. And as a result, you can see from the visuals, several localities in Puducherry are flooded and waterlogged. Though the situation was much worse in the morning, the water has started to recede because the high tide has gotten over. That is what the authorities are telling. So because of that, the water is receding faster, but nevertheless several residential areas in Puducherry are still inundated. There's still waterlogging. In fact, the Indian Army and the NDRF, and along with the state agencies like the fire and rescue teams and the SDRF, all of them undertook relief and rescue activities. In fact, around 500 of them had to be rescued from some of these residential areas, is what the Chief Secretary of Puducherry told us. Around 200 relief centers have been opened. 4 persons have lost their lives due to the impact of cyclone, due to rain-related accidents as well. So in Puducherry at present, the main priority of the government, they say, is to restore power, because ever since yesterday there's been no power in the town. So therefore the government's priority is to restore power, because the substations also were flooded. The feeder lines had snapped off.
And sometimes that could also be a precautionary measure, because there must be a lot of water in areas where this could lead to a lot of problems, because in Tamil Nadu, a man got electrocuted as well, and if this is not taken care of. Shilpa, you stay safe. I understand how difficult reporting the cyclone can be.